So hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to talk about some amazing and best websites from where you can watch animes for free. Yes, you have heard it absolutely right. We are going to watch animes for free on this website, and basically we are going to talk about 10 best websites from where we can watch animes for free. So before starting the video, I just want to ask you something that please, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share and comment because this will definitely motivates me and it will help me to create new and good content for you guys. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. So let's dive into the video. So the first website we are talking about is Any.me. So as you can see here, I'm going to search Any.me here. And Any.me is our first website for from where you can watch animes for free. The website looks awesome. The interface is very cute. This website will not irritate you from the cheap ads like any other website are inappropriate and irrelevant ads to you. This website is very clean. As you can see here, the background is whitish. As you can see here, anime news. If you are a guy like me who want to stay updated in anime series, then you can definitely go ahead with this website because here you can read articles related to animes, what is happening in animes industry. So these are the latest news related animes. So if you are a person like me, then go ahead and check out the website, and you can find a lot of animes here for free. You just have to log in with a free account on this website, and boom, you are able to watch a lot of animes for free. As you can see, Kite Liberator, Super Robot Wars, Jubi-chan, or I don't know did I pronounce this right or not, then Kappa or Phoenix. A lot of animes are available on this website without showing you a single ad, which is amazing, I guess. And you can also search your favorite anime from the search bar. Like you can go search here any of your favorite show. Like very big fan of Dragon Ball, so Dragon Ball Super. I'm going to search, and I pressed the enter button. So as you can see, the Dragon Ball Super TV has come here, and and it is also suggesting you some similar anime shows like Death Note, Blue Exorcist, and a lot of animes you can watch. So let's move on to the next step on this list. So the next website on our list is GoGoAnime.io. I think many of you guys already heard about this website, GoGoAnime.io. GoGoAnime is also another amazing website from where you can watch animes for free. But the only thing I really don't like about this website is these types of ads like Pokemon, Mega Play Instant, I don't know. The homepage looks very rich in content because here you can find a lot of animes. A lot of movies of animes are available like Super Shiro, Hiro no Sora, I don't know. So these are the animes you can watch, and even you could search your favorite animes. Like I said earlier, I'm a crazy Dragon Ball lover, so I'm going to search Dragon Ball Super. Is it available here or not? As you can see guys, like here are a lot of Dragon Ball series are available like Dragon Ball Super in dub, where you can watch the website with subtitles. Also the Dragon Ball movies, Lord Slug. This is another good website if you're in love with anime. So let's move on to the next step on our list. So the third one is Crunchyroll.com. Crunchyroll.com is one of the most famous and well recognized website in all over the world. But the only flaw this website has is that you cannot access it from India because anime is not available in many countries like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, Nepal, and many more. So in these types of countries, if you are living in third world country or like these, then you need a VPN to watch animes for free because animes are not available or banned in some countries. Like in India, anime are banned. So you can watch, you can search your favorite anime like I said earlier, Dragon Ball Super. I'm a crazy fan of Dragon Ball, that's why I'm searching it. That's it. So as you can guys see, Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball, a lot of Dragon Ball series are available. Dragon Ball movies are also available on this website. And another best thing about this website is that you can purchase a premium version of this website. This website also has a premium version from where an ad-free experience will definitely, this website will provide you if you will purchase the premium plan of this website. Otherwise you can even go ahead and watch the free animes if you want to pay any of the money. And even you can read the latest news about anime. Like here in this section you can read latest news about anime, like the God of High School Anime Reviews OPN, and a lot of news related anime will here, from where you can catch up and increase your knowledge about anime. Let's move on to the next website. The next website is anime. Oh, sorry, I didn't. AnimePlanet.com. This is another amazing website from where you can watch anime absolutely for free. The website looks amazing. As I said earlier, a lot of websites are really good in our list. You just have to sign up for a free account in this website, from which you will be able to watch animes for free. Like this is mentioned here, watch now or sign up. So you can just easily sign up by clicking here and sign up, fill your important credential, like what is the date of birth and all the things. Then you will be able to watch animes on this website for free. The website looks amazing. It loads every video very fast and every anime in this website is available in very good quality. It means you will definitely have fun while watching animes on this website. But another thing I just want to tell you guys, that you also need a VPN to watch videos on this website. If you are living in any third world country like in Africa, or if you are living in India like me, or in Nepal, then you must have a VPN on your computer. Then you will able to watch animes for free. Like you can like I'm just showing you guys that by clicking here you'll be redirected to the page of this anime, and by here you can just watch videos. But like I said earlier, you have to log in first, then you'll be able to watch animes for free on this website as well. So let's move on to the next website on our list. So now guys, we have reached on the 5th spot of our list. So here is the 5th website on our list, which is AnimeFreak.tv. AnimeFreak.tv is another amazing website from where you can watch animes for free. As you can see here, latest update every single hour, new and latest videos for you, for anime lovers. And even you can watch manga if you are in love with manga as well, and new animes. Like every anime that releases within 1 month or within a week is uploaded here for you guys, like me and as also. So you can watch animes for free without any problem, and even you can search your favorite anime from here, from the search section. You can write down Naruto, and it will automatically suggest you all the things which this website already have for you. Like a lot of Naruto movies and shows are available on this website. So you just have to click here and it will redirect you to the page, and here from this page you can watch Naruto. But I think you need an account to watch animes on this website as well. So go ahead and watch this website as well. So now we have reached the 6th spot of our list, site Chia Anime. Anime.me. You can search it on a browser. Chia Anime is another and cool website from where you can watch anime series easily without any problem. Like you could see all the latest animes, and the latest animes episodes are available on the homepage directly. And even you can search animes easily from these ABCD, like you alphabetically. Like if your favorite anime starts from N, like in Naruto starts from N, then you can simply click on N and it will show you all the animes which are started with the name of N, which is an amazing feature of this website. And like you could see animes showing there. The only thing that will annoy you on this website is these type of ads. Like you can see on my screen that on the left side and on the right side, both sides are having which I really don't like, and I think you guys will definitely will also not like these type of ads. But besides all these ads, I would say this website is an amazing website. Even you could search your favorite anime, like I said earlier and many times, Dragon Ball Super is my favorite show. So I'm going to search Dragon Ball. As you can see guys, all the things which this website have are available here. I can directly click like Dragon Ball GT. After clicking, this will redirect me to the all episode. By clicking on the episodes, I can simply watch the shows without any problem, which is an amazing thing. You can read the description also. So this website, another amazing website to watch anime for free. So let's move on to the 7th spot of our list, which is now we have reached the 7th spot of our list. On the 7th spot we have Funimation. Funimation.com. Funimation is also an amazing website. Only thing you will face, like me, this error. Sorry, this content is not available in your country. So to access this website, you must have a VPN connection on your computer, because I'm living in India, so Funimation is not available in my region, in my country. So if you're living in Japan, so don't worry, you can easily access this website. But if you are living outside from Japan, then you must have a VPN to access this website. But I've used it. The website have a lot of content which you will definitely going to love. So Funimation is another amazing website to watch anime, but don't forget to install a VPN before using this website. Okay, so now let's move on to the next website, which is number 8. So on the 8th spot of our list is dubbedanime.net. As you can see on my screen, dubbedanime.net is another cool and amazing website from where you can watch anime easily. The interface of this website also looks amazing. As you can see, new episodes are appearing on the page, and trending episodes, like episodes that people are watching a lot of times, are appearing on the top of the screen. Even this website have a community where you can discuss about your shows and fan theories easily in this community section, and watch you can browse animes from this anime section, top anime, this season movies, and even you can watch your favorite movies easily. All the things are available. That note, every anime that you love is available on this website, like Digimon was one of the favorite anime of all time. So you can watch, as you can see, the website looks very fast, running very fast. It's very interactive, and while using it, you will definitely going to love and enjoy yourself. So don't forget to check out this website as well, dubbedanime.net. So this is another cool and amazing website for you guys. So finally we are here on the 9th spot of our list. So on the 9th spot we have TubiTV. I guess most of the people already know about this app or this website, because TubiTV also have an app. You can easily download it from the Play Store. So TubiTV is here. In TubiTV you could easily search your favorite anime, but the only flaw TubiTV has is that it doesn't have a lot of animes in its gallery. So many famous animes are not available in this TubiTV. If you want to watch animes without any problem, you can easily go ahead with this TubiTV. You can easily search on the top section here from the search bar. Like I am going to search Dragon Ball. Like you guys already know that I will Dragon Ball. So as I said earlier, TubiTV does not have a lot of options for you, but yes, it does have anime. So I'm going to search anime. So it will show me a lot of anime series, movies and shows that it has for us. So as you can see here, a lot of anime shows, movies are available on this platform. You can easily choose and select. Even you can search for your favorite anime without any problem from this search section. The only thing you must have to watch shows on this website is an account. You can get that account easily from this registered button. The account will be free. You can easily search anime on your demand. So I would highly recommend you guys to watch animes for your demand from this website as well. So last but not least, finally we have reached on the bottom of our list, which is I'm going to talk about Netflix. Netflix. Yeah, you can search it Netflix easily. Netflix is an amazing website from where you can watch a lot of shows, from anime to Hollywood cartoons. Everything is available on Netflix. Even Netflix recently have purchased some of the rights of anime, so you guys can easily watch a lot of animes on Netflix. I know this website is not free. You have to purchase a basic plan of Netflix that will not cost you an arm or leg if you're going to purchase Netflix. So on the bottom of this list, I would definitely recommend you guys to watch anime on Netflix if you are a lover like me of anime. So if you guys like this list, and if you guys like it, please share, subscribe and comment. This will definitely motivate me.